Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken enchilada casserole in the slow cooker. 4 ingredients, so let's get cracking. I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces already in the pot. And I'm adding a 28-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce. I'll get that all mixed up. And I'm going to cook this on low, and when that's done, I'm going to add some cut up corn tortillas and some cheese. That's it. While the chicken's cooking, I'm cutting up some of these corn tortillas. I just use the scissors, that works pretty well. Then just cut them into bite-sized pieces. So I've already cut up 4 of them. This is 4 more, so there'll be about 8. So I guess I'll use about 8, but you can use as many or as little as you like. It's been a little over 2 hours. I just pulled the lid off and I checked the temperature to make sure it's over 165 degrees. And it is. It's good. So now I'm going to stir these corn tortillas in. Now I'm going to add some cheese. This is a 4-cheese Mexican blend. You can mix it in if you like, but I don't really like lots of cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top. And I'll just put the lid back on and let that melt. Let's put some in a bowl and try it out. I also have some pico de gallo here. I made it with my fresh homegrown tomatoes, onions, and some cilantro, and a little bit of salt, but I'll leave that off of there. I like mixing it all together because it's really good that way, but I'll leave it off of there for the taste test so I can give you guys a good taste test here without it. That's real good. To me, there's enough flavor with that green enchilada sauce that you don't need any other seasonings. I took a piece of chicken and wiped the sauce off of it. We'll see what Annie thinks. There you go, Annie. I guess it's Annie approved. I'm surprised that has that much flavor with just that green enchilada sauce, but it's really good. The only thing, don't leave the tortillas in the pot too long because they'll get mushy. Anyway, I'll write the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.